Friends, today we will discuss about how to crack CSI net examination. Okay, so as we know that our cutoff is usually increasing and it is now reached up to 60% the cutoff. So we have to make a proper planning to score more than 60%. So our aim would be to score more than 60% in this examination. Okay, so because you never know, the cutoff can increase to any percentage. So in this video our main planning is to devise a strategy to score more than 60%. Okay, to score more than 60% so that we can crack this examination. So we know that there are three different groups: group A, B and C. So A part is usually aptitude portion. There we need to attend 15 questions out of 20, and believe me, 5 to 6 questions are very basics. Okay, so you can easily attend 5 to 6 questions applying your basic knowledge, and 3 to 4 questions are formula based. So if you have a good knowledge about formula, you can easily attend 8 to 9 questions easily in group A. Everyone skip this portion and they attend usually 3 to 4 questions. I suggest everyone that please don't skip this portion. Okay, just go through the formula and previous year questions. You can easily attend 8 to 9 questions from group A. For group B, we know that 35 questions we need to attend. These are memory based mostly, so you don't have to read entire module 13 module to attend these questions. If you can easily attend 6 to 7 module completely, you can attend more than 20 questions in group B. And the basic minimum questions that you need to attend in group B is 20. Try to attend at least 20 questions. Okay, these 20 questions will always put you in a good chance to crack this examination. So try to attempt more than 20 questions. Okay, so try to complete the 6 to 7 module completely so that you can easily attempt these 20 questions in group B. And in group C, 25 questions there out of 75. So out of 75 questions you need to attend only 25 questions. So again, completing 6 to 7 modules completely will help you to attend at least 17 to 22 questions easily, or I guess more than 25 questions you can easily attend if you will complete 6 to 7 module completely. Okay, but if you attempt 17 to 22 questions in group C, at least 17 questions correct, then you don't have to worry. So 17 questions from group C is important, 20 questions from group B and 8 questions from A. These are the minimum criteria that you need to do. So total adding them we are getting 124. So see guys, we have easily crossed the 60% mark. So total question that you need to attend is 8 plus 20 plus 17, which is equal to 45 questions. So 45 question out of 145 question can easily be done. Okay, for that you have to complete 6 to 7 module properly. So okay, so 45 questions out of 145 question can easily help you to score 124 marks. Please complete 6 to 7 module completely, don't skip a single portions. Okay, because you are already skipping 6 module if you are completing only 7 module. So complete it entirely, and I have given many videos on all the modules regarding the important topics, so you can go through them. And if you have any problem, you can post your question in my comment below. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and comment below your queries. Thank you.